So today I'm just going to talk to you guys briefly on why I actually think my hair has not been growing the way it should grow.
DNA Queen of the dance.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm just going to talk to you guys briefly on why I actually think my hair has not been growing the way it should grow. But before then, I want to say thank you for those of you who sent me messages asking how I'm doing and hope everything is okay, because I've not been uploading. And the thing there is that I had chicken pox. I and my kids had chicken pox, but apart from that, we're okay now, and we just moved into a new home, so we're just trying to settle. I do miss YouTube so much. I want to thank you all so much for sending me messages to know how I'm doing. I do appreciate you guys. Like, God bless you. Thank you so much. And this is not my natural hair. This is actually a versatile crochet braids. I think I filmed the video. I'll upload it very soon, so please stay tuned for that. So let's get into the video. So I just want to tell you guys why I actually think my hair is not growing. If you have any other idea why you think my hair is not growing, you can let me know in the comment section below. Well, I'm going to tell you guys what I actually think, or why I actually think my hair has not been growing the way it should grow. Like, I read a comment that someone made that she went natural a year ago, and that is her hair is on her shoulder length now. But mine, I've been natural 3 years now and my hair is still short, And yes, someone else mentioned that maybe because I manipulate my hair a lot, which I agree with, because the truth of the matter is that the fact that I'm always touching my hair, or I'm always doing this cornrow, or I'm doing this crochet braid, I'm doing that, definitely plays a big role on why my hair is not growing the way it should grow. I'm fine. I agree with you, because for the past few weeks I've not touched my hair. I just cornrow my hair to the back, and then when I took my hair out, I noticed that my hair is thicker, and it grew a lot, just a short period of time. It made me realize that yes, touching my hair a lot, the fact that I touch my hair all the time, definitely plays a big role in my hair growing the way it should grow. But the thing is that what I'm wondering is that there are people who actually touch their hair all the time, who manipulate their hair all the time, but their hair is still growing. The truth of the matter is that I think we are all different. I think for me, the fact that I'm touching my hair all the time affects my hair growth. And the truth about the situation is that I'm not gonna stop touching my hair all the time, unfortunately. Because look at it this way: if I do a crochet braid tutorial now, or if I do or if I curl my hair all to the back, or if I do a let's say box braid tutorial, and I decide to keep it for a month or two, that means I won't be able to make any tutorials for you guys, and I won't be consistent on YouTube. And when I'm not consistent on YouTube, I'm not happy, because I enjoy doing YouTube. It's fun to search for ideas and do hair tutorials and show you guys. It gives me so much joy, like you cannot imagine. Growing my hair out will not give me so much joy compared to the fact that I'm always trying out different styles, because that's the kind of person I am. I really get bored easily with things, so I like to try things, explore, do my research, look for styles, try it, and it gives me so much joy to share these styles with you guys. And right from time, it's never been about growing the long hair or having a very long hair for me. If you follow me for a while, you will know that when my hair was so short, I used to do every style. I've done box braid with my hair very short. I've done twist style, bantu. To me, it's about the challenge. Like, I love the challenge. I don't like things easy. That's just the kind of person. I love when things are a bit difficult for me to get, or for me to do. So I love the challenge. I just believe that with my short hair, I can actually achieve any style. So that is what it's been for me. It's never been about growing the long hair. When people keep asking me for length check, there's no need doing a length check, because every time I deep condition my hair, I trim my hair down, so there's no need for the length check. And it's not growing the way it's supposed to grow, so what am I doing a length check for? There's so many videos on YouTube on length check. There are people who actually do length check every month, all the time, and if you can follow their length check videos and then watch my tutorials, I will really appreciate that, seriously. But it's never been about the hair growth for me. Some people, we're all different as well. There are people that have this fast growth, like it's natural with them, it's in their blood. That's why some people tell you they've tried everything on their hair, but their hair is not growing. You cannot compare yourself with someone else, even if you take all the pills in the world. Like, if you don't have it in you to have that long hair, you're not going to have that long hair. If you have a long hair and you have a very fast growth, that's wonderful. That's wonderful for you. Unfortunately, I don't actually think everyone is the same. So maybe it doesn't run in me to have a very long, thick, natural hair, So I would rather keep it this way and just keep pushing it and keep doing my tutorials, because that's what actually gives me so much joy. So that's it. I just wanted to address the issue. I know, thank you for being concerned and think, what, maybe you're worried that, for me, because you think I'm actually worried. So, but I'm not really worried, I'm cool the way it is. I'm okay with the slow growth, and I'm just gonna keep doing my hair tutorials. Stay changed. You don't know, tomorrow I might just cut off my hair and start all over again. I don't know. So it is what it is, and I just want to say thank you so much for all your support and all your love. It's a new year, it's a new beginning. Let's show love, let's support each other. Let's be happy, because this life is too short. So let's just be happy, and thank you all so much for your love and support, and I will see you guys very soon. I love you guys so much, and bye.
Gaga music. Shake that. Bang bang.